Welcome back to Archiesense. This house is located on the outskirts of Puigcerdà, Spain, with beautiful views of the Cerdanya Valley. Its strategic location at the back of a high land allows for a large garden and easy access. The design of the house combines natural materials such as stone and wood with modern touches of iron. The ground floor, facing south, is the main hub of activity. Rooms such as the living room, terrace, dining room, kitchen, and bedrooms have large windows to enjoy the views. The living room takes center stage with the fireplace as a focal point. Large windows with cushions provide a comfortable place to relax. The dark wooden ceiling outside and light inside create an interesting contrast. The use of iron framing the stone facade gives a modern feel. The house is dominated by a neutral color palette to create a calm atmosphere. The combination of iron and reclaimed wood provides a balance between modern and comfortable. The sloping wooden ceilings give a sense of space. The facade of the house combines the typical stone of La Cerdaña with iron and wood window frames. This combination creates an interesting contrast and a modern look. The stone used on the facade reflects the colors of the local landscape. All exterior materials were chosen in dark colors to highlight the richness of the stone. The roof is hidden for a cleaner look. The parking area is designed with exposed concrete and indirect lighting.